Hello, everyone. My name's Elijah Eastwood. I'm currently studying pre-nursing right now. I'm going to take you on a deep dive in that. First of all, pre-nursing is definitely a different major. I'm only going to be on campus, doing my KU core classes for only 2 years. And then hopefully, whenever I finish that, I will be either going to Salina, Kansas or Kansas City, Missouri to then do clinicals, which is basically, I guess you could say shadowing, but it's a little more education based. Inheritance is something that is definitely prominent in my major, and I think that it's something that I'll implement a lot in my career as a nurse. I remember looking at family trees, to decipher what traits were dominant or recessive, to see the possibilities of these genes getting passed on from offspring to offspring. We also did this with our own families to determine different traits, like I think it was eye color, earwax, and earlobes. Um, I thought that was pretty cool, because I can do that with my own parents and grandparents, so that was pretty cool. A very good example of this, and how I would apply this in my time as a nurse, would be asking families or people about, their family history. For example, um, let's say someone comes in with, heart attack like symptoms, and if I asked them if anyone in their family has heart issues, if they respond with, yeah, my father died with, heart disease, I would be more likely to point in the direction of diagnosing them with, a heart related problem. Now, on the other hand, data analysis is something that I know for sure I'll be doing on a daily basis. I also do this a lot in my major right now. In a lot of classes, they have me, getting data and coming up with a solution off that data, because data in that point is very useless if you're not going to do anything with it. Not only is this prominent and important to be a successful nurse, but it's a skill to have. It's a really good skill to have in everyday general life scenarios. I think we did some sort of data analysis in every Lapster simulation we did and modules, but the one that comes to mind was when we were looking at different species of cars in certain parking lots. We would count the cars, see how many they were there, how many makes of cars were there, and from that data, we would make an analysis as to why the population might be that way. An example of this being applied in nursing career is tracking certain meds for patients. Let's say someone's taking meds and they need to either go up in dosage or down in dosage every few weeks. I would ask them how they feel, if the medication is working, and with that, I would determine if they need more, need less, need none of it, or maybe if they need to switch medications. I will also be taking patients' vitals, such as blood pressure, temperature, and I will have to make decisions based on the data that I receive. If somebody's blood pressure is too high, then I'll suggest ways to either fix that or get them the medical attention they need based on the severity of the situation.